Hello guys, it's Luke here from KewbzUK, and in this video I wanted to go through some different 3x3 Rubik's Cube patterns. Now, this isn't a Rubik's Cube, this is a GANS 356 Air SM. A Rubik's Cube is obviously a different brand for those of you that didn't know, and for those of you that did know, well, don't worry, and let's get on with the video. Now, I'm going to go through my top 2 or 3 favourite Rubik's Cube patterns, and I'm going to show you how to do them. So pick up your 3x3, hold it with any face, well, facing you, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to have blue facing me. And the first one is called Cube in a Cube in a Cube, and what that does, well, I'm not going to tell you, I'm going to show you. So repeat after me guys, have any face facing you and perform this algorithm. Up inverted, L inverted, up inverted, front inverted, R2, B inverted, R, F, U, B2, U, B inverted, L, up inverted, front, up, right, and front inverted. And you can see we've got a cube, in a cube, in a cube. You've got 1x1, 2x2, and a 3x3, kind of. Now, not only has it cycled that, it cycled it on the back as well. So you've got a cube, in a cube, in a cube. That is my all-time favourite pattern, and I'm not too sure why. I absolutely love it. So, on to the next one. The next one, guys, is called the super flip. I'm not going to show you what that does. I'm not going to tell you what it does. I'm going to show you what it does. So, this is my second favourite kind of Rubik's Cube pattern. And it goes like this. Again, any side facing you. I like doing it white on top. I don't know why. But let's carry on. So, up, right 2, front, back, right, back 2, right, up 2, left, back 2, right, up inverted, down inverted, right 2, front, right inverted, left, back 2, U2, F2. And what that does, it might look like we've completely scrambled the cube, but that's not what we've done. As you can see, we've got a kind of 5-sided dice on each face. And all of these edge pieces have actually been inverted or swapped around. So you can see blue and red is the opposite way around. Green and red is the opposite way around. And orange and green is the other way around. And so on for the rest of the puzzle. Now, I've no idea how this works. It's like magic to me. I absolutely love this one as well. Prefer the cube in a cube in a cube because it doesn't look scrambled. But still, this is an amazing pattern. Don't know how people come up with these, but it's absolutely brilliant in my eyes. So I think I'm going to end it there, guys. I think my camera's dying, actually. But thank you for watching. Head on over to KewbzUK, KEWBZ. We've got a blog there, 3x3 Rubik Cube patterns. We've got like 20, 25 different patterns you can check out, which are quite cool like this. But thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and go follow us on social media. We've always got loads of cubing news and gossip. And we run giveaways and competitions as well. So, thanks for watching. See you later.